Ezra, Zeke, and Zaphod. Boys, are you ready to go? Boys, are you ready to go? Say hi to Mommy.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom.
Zaphod, over here.
Wow.
Zaphod.
Hi. Hi, Mom. Oh, come on. What's with the picture room? Oh, come on. What's with the picture room? What did I say again? You don't talk rude to me.
Yeah.
Say something. Come on, say something. Say something.
Stop. You're rocking me around too much. Hi, Zeke.